Hi everyone, here I have a very nice mathematical equation and I have to find the value of x and the value of y in this equation. So let's solve this equation, that is square root 3 to the square root x minus square root 3 to the square root y, which is equals to 720. So let's write this as 3 to the power 1 by 2 the square root x minus 3 to the power 1 by 2 to the square root y, which is equals to 720. Now further I can use the rule, that is a to the power n, which can be written as a to the power m dot n. So I can write this as 3 to the power 1 by 2 and square root x minus 3 to the power 1 by 2 square root y, which is equals to 720. So further I can write this 3 to the power square root x by 2 minus 3 to the power square root y by 2, which is equals to 720. So here I can let, because this is 3 again and the negative sign between them, and the answer is positive number. So here I'm going to let that a is equals to square root x by 2 and b is equals to square root y by 2. So these two numbers are same. So where is the change? The change must be in the powers. So as the answer is positive, so this implies that a, the power of this number, that is square root x by 2, which we let that a must be greater than b. So if a is greater than b, so this implies that there exists a positive integer k such that a is equals to, because a is greater, so it is equals to b plus k. A is greater, when I add something in b, it will be equals to a. So now I am going to use this. I'm marking it at the equation number 1. So I'm going to use this a is equals to b plus k in this equation, which is 3 raised to power, firstly this will be 3 raised to power a minus 3 raised to power b, which is equals to 720, and further I will replace this a by b plus k minus 3 raised to power b, which is equals to 720. Now I can write this 3 raised to power b plus k as 3 raised to power b 3 raised to power k minus 3 raised to power b, 720. Here I use the rule that a raised to power m plus n can be written as a raised to power m and a raised to power n. So here I can take 3 raised to power b as a common term, and here I left 3 raised to power k minus 1, which is 720. So now next I'm going to mention 720 in terms of these 3 raised to power b and 3 raised to power k minus 1. So what I can write? I can write 3 raised to power k minus 1. I can write this as 3 raised to power b. I can write it as 9 multiplied by 80. 9 multiplied by 80, 9 8 is 72. So I can write this as 9 multiplied by 80. Now further 9 can be written as 3 raised to power 2, and I have to write this 80 in terms of this term and minus 1. So I can write this 80, 81 minus 1. 81 minus 1 again gives 80. So I have to write this 81 in the terms of 3 raised to power 3 raised to power k minus 1. So 81 can be written as divided with 3. 3 to the 6, 27, 39, 3 and 1. So 1 2 3 4. So it can be written as 3 raised to power 4 minus 1. 3 raised to power b, 3 raised to power k minus 1. So this is the same. I can compare these two terms now. So this implies that 3 raised to power b is equals to 3 raised to power 2. Here this implies that b is equals to 2. So from here I find the value of b. So further I can find the value of k. So I can put this value in this equation and find the value of a. So now by comparing this term, 3 raised to power k minus 1 is 3 raised to power 4 minus 1. So this implies that 3 raised to power k is equals to 3 raised to power 4, and this implies that k is equals to 4. So from here I can find the value of a by putting the value of a in the equation, that is a is equals to b plus k, that is equation number 1. So I have the two values, that is b 2 and k is 4. So here a is equals to 6. So I have the three values a, b and k. So here I have to use these two values a and b. Now let's put these values a and b to the supposition. A is equals to square root x by 2 and b is equals to square root y by 2. Here I found the two values that a is equals to 6 is equals to 6 square root x by 2. It will be multiplying the opposite side. 6 multiplied by 2 is equals to square root x. 6 to the 12. And to cancel the square root, I will take the square on both sides. So it will be 12 square root x square. So it will be 144. X is equals to 144. Now let's find the value of y. So as b is equals to 6, so this implies that 6 is equals to square root y by 2. Again 6 multiplied by 2, sorry, b is equals to 2 here, square root y, so 2 to the 4 square root y, and we'll take again square on both sides. It will be square root y square cancelled and y is equals to 16. So what was our question? We have found the two values, x is equals to 144 and y is equals to 16. What was our main equation? The main equation was square root 3 to the square root x minus square root 3 to the square root y, which is equals to 720. Now we are going to check our values. For x is equals to 144 and y is equals to 16. So square root 3, this is equals to 12 square root minus square root 3, 4 square root 720. It will be square root 3 to the power 12 minus square root 3 to the power 4, which is equals to 720. Square cancel with square root. So further I can write this as 3 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 12 minus 3 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 4, which is equals to 720. So I can use the rule here by writing this 12 by 2 minus 3 to the power 4 by 2, which is equals to 720. 2 to the 4, to 6 to 12. Here I get 3 to the power 6 minus 3 to the power 2 is equals to 720. So again write this. Three to the power 6 is equals to 729 minus 3 to the power 2 is equals to 9, 720. So this is equals to 720. So our values that x is equals to 144 and y is equals to 16 are quite right.